If you are responsible for administering baseline testing to groups, you now have the option of sending unique baseline testing codes to your test takers so they can take the ImPACT baseline test at home. Take a look at how it works. Log into the ImPACT Applications Customer Center. You'll see a button here to generate a test code. Select the organization which you want to generate baseline test codes for. Enter the email addresses of the individuals who need to take their baseline test. Each person will receive an email with a unique link to take their baseline test. You can review codes that were generated and their status in the View/Manage Codes section. You're able to select a date range or leave it blank to view all the codes you've sent. You'll see all the codes generated by test administrators in your organization here. Filter by active, which are sent but unused codes, redeemed, expired, or revoked codes. If you need to revoke someone's code, simply click on that user and click Revoke. You can also export a list of test codes you've sent. The redeemed codes come out of your normal testing bank, and you can monitor who's taken their ImPACT baseline test in the Customer Center. Start using this feature today and talk to us if you have any questions.